Alright guys, we're down at the river. We're going to be using some corn for bait, a little 10-aught hook on some ultralight. We're going to be going for creek chub. There are catfish in here, brim and bass. So see what we can do, see what we can catch, and stay tuned. Oh yeah, there was a bite right there. Let's get back in there. Oh, there's a bite. There we go. Yay, a little creek chub. Look at that thing. Here we go. Get closer. There he goes. Now let's get us some more. All I did was let it sit there in that little eddy right here. Let it hit the bottom, go in, let it drag a little bit. Then that creek chub came and ate it. Feel a little tap on your line, set the hook. There we go. A little decent one. Not a bad one there. A little smaller than the other one though. All right guys, we got us another one here. Whoa. I'm trying to go after some catfish here, but we keep on catching these little guys. Yeah, you gotta love creek chub. They fight good, fun to catch. You can come down here and do it any time of day. It's a really fun fish to catch here. This little backwater area. I don't know. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's a decent one. Oh, it's a brim. Different species. I'll move to you. Heck yeah. Look at that. Beautiful colors on it too. Little brim here.
Ew.
Well, dang it. That was a nice sunfish. I got it on this one, so we're good.
Where's it be?
Had one. Yep.
Oh, he's bigger.
Yeah, he's a little bigger. Oh, that's another little one. I'm trying to get them big ones though. But can't go wrong with catching these. All right, guys, we made it to a different spot. Has some good holes in here. See what we can get. I'm gonna cast these sticks over here, cast these little edges right here. Hopefully we'll be able to catch some. There we go. Got us one off the edge seam. And show you off on this camera, there's no point. He's a little small. There he is. Oh, that's a good release. Oh, that was a trout. That was a trout. Oh my gosh, that was a trout. I don't know if my camera caught that, but guys, that was a huge, I wouldn't say huge trout, but that thing was nice. Ah, that'd be awesome to catch it. And how about not get hung? Nah. I'm gonna put 2 pieces of corn on. I do have this power bait stuff. Let's do some of this power bait maggot stuff because I seen that freaking trout. All right, guys, we're at the next spot. We weren't catching much over at the other place after that brim, so I'm gonna head up here to the spillway, catch a few more, and close out this video. All right, guys, before we get down here, it's gonna be a little walk here. We got a little spillway down in here. Probably can hear it, but we're gonna do a little bit of fishing. Might be able to catch some catfish down in here, so just stay tuned. Let's get trucking. There it is. Let's catch some fish. There we go. Oh, what we got? Oh, we got us a brim. Look at that thing. That bad boy. He's bleeding a little bit. Let me get him off. There we go. Get that. Give it a little dangle here. There we go. Smaller brim. Look at this boy release back. There we go. What? No way. It's a a baby channel cat. What? I usually catch bullheads in there, not a baby channel. Ow. Stuck me. Look at that thing. Baby channel cat here. Look at that. It's a little baby. I usually catch bullheads down in here, but I'm surprised I caught a channel cat. It's pretty cool. Let's get a release on him. Ow! All right, guys, we're gonna head on out. It's a fun day of fishing. Get this thing edited up and put out for you guys. There's a deer. I don't know. I'll have to zoom in really close, but might be able to get that out. But we're gonna head on out, get some grub, get cleaned up. But I enjoyed it. Hope y'all liked it. Stay tuned for another fishing adventure.